you can see my nose, it's so cold here. Oh my god. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing really amazing. After all the build up and all the stories you have seen on Instagram, here I am in Europe. This is one location which I really wanted to visit. And you know where am I? I am in Austria and right now in Vienna. So this trip is going to be really amazing, and today is a very relaxed day. I'm supposed to start my ride, that is from tomorrow, and today I have a special surprise that I'm going to ride this bike. When I booked my hotel, I just checked they had this service where they rent Vespa. Now I'm going to take this bike and go in and around Vienna to explore a few places, to buy some chocolates, and of course I'm really excited for my next day because I'm going to ride some really pretty and beautiful bikes. So keep watching this video. And one more thing, it's cold here and I dressed up like this, but I'm going to soon change and then I'll start my journey. So stay tuned and don't miss this video as well as other videos which are going to come after this. So I've changed my dress and now I'm wearing appropriate for this weather. It's almost 16 degrees and temperature will definitely drop until I'll be back. So now let's go and explore Vienna. I am really excited. Number one, it's so pleasant, so clean, so neat, and it's really beautiful. I don't know how my next 10 days are going to be, but I am really excited about this entire trip, and I'm sure that you all are also excited. This was first time riding in Europe, Vespa, which was a very easy bike, but it took a little time to understand. Here you have left hand side drive, so you need to ride on right hand side, and it's little different. So now I am finally here. It was very nearby to my hotel, but it took me time because I think I missed one turn, and then later navigating and then coming here took some time. Now I'm here at Karlskrona, like it's pronounced in a different way, but in English it's Saint Charles Church, and it's a very pretty, it's in southern Vienna, and most important, it's one of the iconic monument when you consider Vienna. Let's quickly go see the place and move to next destination. I have so much to cover and so little time because here temperature is dropping. Right now I've started feeling cold. I was just waiting somewhere and one person asked me, aren't you feeling cold? I was like, I am, but right now I need to just move and shoot first. So now let's go inside and explore this place. But I must tell you, I am so happy coming here. It's so good, pretty, and the most important thing, it's literally very peaceful. So now let's go. Here you can see many pretty cars and bikes. So here is V-Strom, then we have Duke. So this is Duke 690. So here is the first look. This is one beautiful pond in front of the church, and just look at this. It's so majestic. This is the entrance and it's very pretty. I'm not going to go inside because I have very less time and I still need to explore and understand more about European roads. So it will take some time to get hang of it. It's getting cold and I was riding without this hoodie, but I am unable to bear this cold now. From the route where I came, that was Hofburg. Hofburg is an imperial place in Austria, but I couldn't go inside, and as I have very less time, right now I'm going to Saint Stephen Cathedral. It's a very, very beautiful place. I've seen it so many times in videos. Now let's go there and see this majestic place. So this is it. This is Saint Stephen Cathedral. It is one of the most important religious places in Vienna. So in mid-12th century, Vienna was one of the most important part of German civilization. This cathedral is very pretty. It has towers which have carvings on it, and you can just see around, there are so many people visiting this place. As I don't have time, I'm not going to go inside. I should, but I'm unable to because I need to head back, and tomorrow is something different for me. So now I'll be just exploring few cafes and then I'll go back. As well, I think you can see my nose. It's so cold here and I'm feeling too cold. Surely Austria is famous for its chocolates, और यहाँ पर आकर chocolates नहीं खरीदना will be a stupidity. So now I'm here and let's go inside and buy some chocolates. So let's go inside. There are many types of chocolates. So these are a few chocolates that I have purchased here. This is another souvenir shop, and I'm thinking of buying these. So yeah, postcards. So here is the souvenir shop, and so many things to pick, but it's very difficult to take them and travel, so I just purchased this one. Now let's go to Cafe Central. It's almost 10 minutes from here. Cafe Central is just 10 minutes and it's very, very famous. Like many people have recommended, but there was one person whom I met at immigration. He said that don't visit it. So now let's see. Still, I'm going to go there and let's see how it is. Here we have all luxury stores, Hermes, there we have Louis Vuitton and so much more. Oh my god, that's Tiffany and Co, Dolce Gabbana. So you can also ride in buggies. That's Cafe Central behind me, and I'm not going to go in, it's too crowded, so I'm going to head back. This was same thing that was told to me by the person who I met at immigration, that it's too crowded and unnecessary waste entire time, and there are some good cafes. So I think to save time I'm not going to enter, but this is one beautiful cafe which is famous, so if you have time you can definitely visit. I'm going to skip and I'm going to eat somewhere else. So it's evening now, it's almost 7 and it's too cold. Now I'll head back to my hotel. I don't know how I'm going to go, but it's nearby. So here I am ending my day, and I couldn't explore much because I started in afternoon, and now I need to go back, take rest because I'm tired and it's too cold. It's actually very, very cold, and I just got hoodie. Thank God I changed my dress. I was supposed to wear something different, but I wore this. Tomorrow morning I'm going to head to another city. There I'll be having another bike, and then my real ride is going to start. So don't miss my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Vienna. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.
I can assure you that my camera is not doing justice to this road, to this route, to this bike.